Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to my online friends who are always supportive, leaving comments, making me feel very happy for my content that I create. Thank you so much for your time and effort to keep in contact with me, and I love reading all your comments and answering them. And of course, if you're new here, my name's Melanie, Mel to my friends, of course. You know, okay, so I'm just gonna get straight onto it because we're gonna talk about the elephant in the room a bit later on, my hair. But first of all, you've seen the title. I had to sit on the floor and get up close and personal to you because this topic of no oils, no butters, I have a few things to say about it. I have an opinion and I'm going to tell it because I've had a few emails for quite a number of you wanting me to talk on the no oils, no butter topic, trend, stupidity, whatever, that you guys are interested to hear my point of view, and I cannot wait to get into it. Get your tea, we're gonna do it, okay? We're gonna talk. Okay, so I'm not angry, okay? My hair looks like this for a reason. My sister. Natural hair community. I'm a little bit concerned that we are here yet again with a topic or a trend. I know some of you are saying online, it's not a trend, it's your new best friend. Okay, so before I start, I must make a point that I am no way a professional or licensed cosmetologist or professional stylist. I am Melanie Thompson, who just loves doing hair. I love it, okay? I'm in no way, shape or form suggesting anything to anybody. Whatever I say, darling, take the fish and try away the bone, okay? So for those of you who are unaware, who have been living under a rock. So almost a year ago, I believe, there were these two ladies, and their names are Elise and Aisha, who had their own YouTube channel, and I think they're professional stylists. I think their handle name on social media is I Am Black Curls. Now these particular ladies uploaded a video explaining that we in the natural hair community have been doing our hair wrong for years. We shouldn't be using butters and we certainly shouldn't be using oils. Now I understand that the main purpose for these two ladies, what they were trying to do is to re-educate the natural hair community about how we care for our hair and to warn them of the dangers of using oils on your scalp and using oils on your hair, that using oils is drying out your hair. Now this is in no way, shape or form to discredit anyone who's licensed or a professional, but not all oils are used for the same purpose. Some oils are made to penetrate the hair and some are used to just coat the hair strand. They have their function. Now, I think it's important to note, not only is our hair made up of protein, it's also made up of some oils. Yes, it's true, you know. And these oils in our hair are made of fatty acids and glycerol, and these two together are triglycerides. I have done a little bit of research, I've watched a ton of videos to try and get some more understanding about it all, and I cannot for the life of me understand why we would want to cancel oils or why they will be bad for our hair. And I have a problem with this in the natural hair community, why we are so interested in telling so many people what to do with our hair when one size doesn't fit all. We are made up of so many different hair types, porosity, density, and our DNA, not to mention our lifestyles that are completely different. Now, whilst we are aware that raw oils are not moisturizers, they are just used to seal or penetrate the hair strand. But there are misconceptions of what these ladies say, which is that raw oils and butters are being misused and coated on the hair to create buildup. So it's the conception that we are all using raw oils and butters in the wrong way, which creates buildup on our hair and makes our hair dry. Now, apparently they continue going on to telling people that oil and water doesn't mix, and that once you put the oil on your hair, it actually doesn't allow any further moisture to actually penetrate into your hair. And because water evaporates, it leaves your hair dry. I have a problem with it because even in my own experience, I find that oils are really great at helping my hair strands glide smoothly together when I use oils and butters on my hair. Another thing that I've noticed with using oils and butters is that it helps with surface friction. When my hair is dry, it's more likely to curl up on itself and get more tangled. The moment I put an oil or a butter on my hair, my strands are able to move together with a smoother surface, thus not creating that surface friction. Any kind of surface friction, which actually causes tangles, and furthermore, it causes breakage, okay? I think in the natural hair community, when we hear these new trends, one of the first things we need to do is take a step back, sis, and just pause. Let's not be too quick to hop on the new trend. I believe the secret to having lustrous, beautiful, healthy curls is not about the products that we use, but simply about creating habits that allows our hair to retain water, which is moisture. I mean, why are we getting hung up on the products that we use? I mean, have we even thought about our diet? And what about water? How much water are we retaining in a day? These are some of the things internally that can really make a difference to our hair. We can also look at how consistent we are with a really great healthy hair routine. One of the things that we need to make sure we're definitely doing is, are we using a clarifying shampoo to properly clean our scalp and to get rid of all the buildup that we've created on our hair strands? These are the things that we should be really concerned about, not whether we're using butter and oil. I mean, come on sis, let's do better, okay? It's a little bit disappointing that the natural hair community has again gone on some kind of war about whether to use oil or butters. It doesn't matter, okay? Sis, I'm telling you, if your hair enjoys butters and oils, go ahead, keep on using it. You got to do what's right for your hair. I mean, it's important for us to know our own hair, what our hair likes, so that we can properly diagnose how to treat our hair. And again, my hair has been thriving using the method of sealing in my hair with a butter. It has worked amazing for me. I've got great results, as you can see here. If for some reason it has worked for you, darling, go ahead, you use it and don't say anything else, okay? So let's talk about the elephant in the room, okay? So I was watching everything and then I thought, you know what? So I'm gonna try it. Now I have to say, I clarified my hair. I'll put it on the screen, this shampoo and this conditioner. And then I went in to use this particular product for my styling product, and this is a mousse. So I went ahead and I decided to do the method. I thought I'm gonna try it, maybe for a week. I'll just try it because I'm open-minded. I got sucked in, didn't I? I've got fine strands. My hair type is ranged between 3A, 3B and 3C. So, darling, this thing is not for me. It's so brittle, it's so dry. I honestly, it's so dry. It's just, no. This is not the wash and go that I'm used to. It's not, my friends. It's not the look I was looking for, okay? This is day 2 of wash and go. Can you see that? Can you see that? My scalp area feels moisturized because it's my own sebum. I can feel it's a little bit waxy, but it's great here. It's actually great. From here onwards, my hair is really dry. It's very dry. You can even hear it, sis. You know what I mean? It's so dry. And it's intertwined on itself. If you watch me enough, you know that my hair normally trickles down all gently. It's just so dry. I can't explain it enough. It's so dry. So based on all of that, I just know that for me, this particular no butter, no oils is not the one. I'm not doing it again. In conclusion, the thing that I really want to encourage everyone with is we really do have to be sensitive in this natural hair community of everybody's needs and wants with our hair. If we want to put a relaxer in our hair, let us do it, okay? If you want to put butters in your hair, go ahead, do it. That goes for oils and also goes for coconut oil as well. If you want to put grease in your hair, then you are okay to do it as well. Let's not find ourselves fighting each other over the most ridiculous things. Let's celebrate each other. If it works for another sis, hey, darling, be nice to them, okay? Which leads me to say that I disagree with professionals that feel it's necessary to impose their expertise on the natural hair community, telling us what we should and shouldn't do, as if it's a one size fits all. I hope this video has found you well. Please be sensitive in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. I'll also appreciate if you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this kind of content, and share it. Share the video with somebody, okay? One last thing, guys. I need to ask for your favor, okay? My Instagram was hacked and disabled. I've lost all my messages from so many of my lovely friends. Please get on there and DM me so we can start a conversation again. I'm rebuilding my page now and I want you to follow me, okay? I'm begging you to. I'm not asking, I'm begging you. Okay, I'll leave the details of the new handle down below. Please get on there and follow. Guys, I'm going now. I'll see you again in my next video. You take care. God bless you. Bye.